delicious breakfast. Where's Paul? Out in the parking lot, chatting with the gentleman whose first car was this BMW. So, won't see him for a bit.
Point Reyes. We've gone down a little dirt road that's supposed to go down to the beach. We're maybe 20-30 minutes north of San Francisco. So redwoods aren't the only giant trees around here. These huge bases, and then they branch out and they look deciduous. The leaves are these long leaves like that. They've got this flaky bark.
Yeah. Those actually truly are bad.
So these could be bad.
They take a lot of
They're not native.
Correct.
You're gonna need both hands. Let me get the camera from you. Clay and shale. A little bit of sandstone. Let's jump in. Brought your suit? Birthday suit?
What kind of animal does that? I think Ray told me about that. I don't know if it's what it's looking for. If it's looking for food or looking for shelter, I'm not sure.
But the animal doesn't make a hole in the rock.
Yeah.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Thinking about whether to go just to that inlet below the towers, which is a beach that has access to the road, and then walk back up the road. How are you doing? Okay. What do you think? Still game, or you want to do the sure path? Yeah, some sort of fairly largish animal here. So we're just walking along the beach here and we're looking up to see if there was a way up, because there was certainly a way down at some point, but maybe in that little cleft there, maybe there will be a way up. We'll see. Looks like people have scooted along here. No, I don't think so. I can kind of see critters going up there, but it seems like for humans you'd have a much more obvious path. The question is it people or just critters? Yeah, that's not very convincing, is it? That just looks like critters. Fish heads, crabs, nice fire pit. The thing that we thought was the beach access wasn't. We looked finally on a map, although we have no service. GPS told us we're way past. We've gone past where this other beach supposedly was. Now we're coming up on another beach. And I don't know, I assume if you've got a beach, you're gonna have access to it of some sort. If there's no access up here, then we turn around and walk all the way back. Burn a lot more calories than we intended to, but otherwise, we'll be just fine. Guess just because there's a beach does not mean you can get up the hill. Okay, I give up. The answer is no. No way up. We're gonna walk back. Hopefully the tide doesn't come up and trap us. No more hiking for a couple of days, for sure. But we'll be all right. Okay, we just got to make it past here. I just saw a wave go right up to the bottom of the rocks. Looks like we're gonna make it this time. But look, these wet rocks came right up to the bottom. We made it! Big one! But you know what? Maybe that was the other access. Blew right by it. I see rope. Woo! Yes! gonna make it. We won't die on the beach and be eaten by seagulls. That's pretty sketchy.
Trust in whoever put up that rope.
Sure. We made it. We had a big adventure. Water that we brought is gone. Our food stores are gone. At this point, we're looking for roadkill. All right, so we did a little over 9,000 steps, 3.6 miles, but they were rough miles. All right, I'm gonna hit the road for Golden Gate Bridge for a quick stop, photo shoot, and then into San Francisco. Alright, we have made it to the overlook on the San Francisco Golden Gate Bridge after a long day. And beautiful, crazy, windy road. Beautiful surface, a lot of fun. And yeah, just gonna look at the views here a little bit and then drive on into San Francisco and look around before landing in. So, how you doing? It's been a long day already.
Good.
Okay. Good morning. It's our last day in California this time. Friday the 22nd, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we didn't film at all yesterday, I don't think. We just drank wine and bought wine and drove around and had dinner. Had a really good time in Sonoma. Popped over to Napa just for a little drive and dinner. And had a nice time. We're in Jack London State Park, just northwest of Sonoma town. That's 2000. I used to have that car. Yeah, we're just going to take an hour here, stroll around, look at the museum, Jack London, where he used to live, and then we're going to head to Sacramento and make arrangements for the car, some work to be done, and storage, and then go to the airport, fly home tonight. And Kristen is stopping because she noticed this. Seemed concerned.
Lived here for 11 years, 1905 to 1916. Born in San Francisco, died here in 16. Wow, he was only 50 years old.
Walking down a trail from the museum to the gravesite, looking out for mountain lions, rattlesnakes, and poison oak.
Can't really see with this GoPro, but there is a large pileated woodpecker. Try to get a close-up with the other camera. Working away. My goodness, two very loud squirrels chasing each other. It's Paul trying to catch it.
That's it. Ashes under an old red stone from the mansion. Here 103 years.
I wonder why it doesn't say that it's his wife's graves too.
Yeah. You know the deal. So these guys were laid to rest here in 76 or so. So 140-ish years. And this big beautiful tree. Okay, yeah, Wolf House is here. Artist rendition. Final version. Wolf House got its name from Jack's nickname. How to become famous for writing about wolves. Construction began in 1911. Fireproof design. A month before the Londons were to move in, 2 years later, fire broke out and destroyed everything but the walls. Kidney failure. Maybe he had type 2 diabetes and didn't know it. That's the thing. You just gotta grab life by the balls and live it while you can. No guarantees. That would have been pretty nice. His wife lived another 40 years. Looks like they're gonna let us walk up inside it a little bit. This was supposed to have water in it or something?
Yeah, fucking cool.
Water for the critters. We a bit weary. Up the hill. It's only a mile round trip or a mile and a half, but up and down. Out of shape. We're back up at the museum. dropped the car off here at Lubo's Bavarian Motors. She's sitting right here, all pretty and perfect. It's got a little bit of work to do on her. There's some beautiful old cars in here being worked on. We're headed home after a very successful first real leg of Demmer versus America. And we finally made it home. Everything's unpacked. And all our equipment is getting put away. Gotta unload our digital images. See you in March.